Hello, guys. Hello, fam. Hello, traders. Good afternoon and welcome to Entry Exit Strategies here in XM Live. This is the beginner's room. Also, my name is Stanislav Kolev. I'll be your trading expert in the following 1 hour. Looking forward to your questions, trades, setups, ideas, instruments, just anything that comes to your mind. Bring it on and let's have this session as always. Let's have it as an open debate. Let's have it as an open discussion and bring all the instruments that you guys are interested for trading and for um, you know maybe not trading right now but later on. The good thing is that tomorrow we have huge inflation report in the USA, and I do believe that we could actually squeeze some good trading opportunities when it comes to it. The best part is that I will be live at the time that the sessions, the report CPI is being printed. So all the cheat sheet and everything will be traded tomorrow. Up until then, let's not get um, lousy or lazy. Let's get into the charts and find some new opportunities. In the previous session with the Heiken-Ashi indicator, I actually also spoke with the guy that have sent that to me. There is a little glitch with it. So what we will do, I'll clear it out and later we'll be projecting and sharing it again, potentially even a full trading system like it happened before. Up until then, I think I want to long again Aussie versus Cat. This is looking nice. 1 hour, 4 hour daily. Because I got my first entry in the previous session, on the first session of the day with Andrew, jump across the creek retest, looking solid. And also potential for us to get a signal on it on my daily system of indicators too. So, that being said, some Heikenashi, will it be enough? 4 hour? 4 hour Heikenashi, let's check it out. Also, people that are outside of our platform, if you guys have questions, I have access to the chat as well. So wherever you watch us, you just address your questions and I will try to give you the answer that you seek to get. And actually, Janish Kumar Singh, good afternoon, sir. Thank you so much for tuning in. Welcome on board. And also, we got Lila in the chat. And if you guys ever wonder what it will be to be in front of the XM camera, don't hesitate. Contact your account manager. Help us. Help yourself. It's gonna be a win-win situation for everyone. So don't hesitate and just do it right away. It's gonna be super nice and cool and fun and very useful to everyone. Dele is also in the house. Thank you very much for tuning in, Dele. Welcome on board. Please, can you share tips on how to set take profit and to determine the right levels to set a take profit? How you set take profit? Um, if you mean technical execution, anticipation of it, you just drag and drop where your take profit wants to be. How you drag and drop it, I actually have turned on a function here on the if you go on options and go on charting to enable dragging of trade levels with alt key. This will avoid you mistakenly drag and drop through this level or your stop loss or wherever and move it into um, a wrong zone. We also have a person from outside the XM Life Education, Paul and Rita Treo Mix. Good afternoon to you. Thank you so much for tuning in. And hello to Andy as well, and hello to Ioannis. I'm gonna address your comments just in a moment after I answer Dele. And how to determine the right levels to set as a take profit? That's a very good question. And this has to be based on something. It has to be based on a couple of things. Number one and foremost will be your backtesting results. You have a trading system, you go historically in the chart, you backtest it, and then you see where is based on your backtest, what is the most convenient level for your take profit. It could be um, a particular level. It could be a fixed risk to reward. It could be the previous structure high or low. It could be also another indicator that is an exit indicator that is telling you where for you to exit as well. So there is no right or wrong level. I say most of the stuff will depend on your backtest. Or if you're into the macro fundamentals, um, there is an option for you to be following the current macro fundamentals and based on them to exit your trade. This is more for position holding and swing trading, I would say. Um, it is not, it's gonna take you plenty of time before you start really understanding what's happening there. Other before that, you will be mostly ignoring the news, uh, or you will be neglecting the effect from the news, what investor did, and you will be very skeptical why they did so. As soon as you really get into the macros, then you could get a broader understanding of exactly what's going on and how to use it in your favor. But if you're a technical trader, there is no better thing in the world for you to do rather than just go and backtest as much. Um, and I'm doing that too often here. I, um, I'm not sure. Maybe you guys will say, um, would you guys, do you know if somebody else is doing live backtesting in the sessions? Because I don't know what other people are doing in their solo session. If I have a session with somebody, I can tell you what he's into. But does any of the other experts is doing backtesting on the live sessions? I'm not sure. That's why I ask you guys for you to tell me. Um, and we got Dele. If there was a, there is no fixed right or wrong thing as well. Okay. And Stan Andy, thank you for tuning in. Hi Stan, I see Aussie dollar entry too, but I have a third time trading against cat with oil up potential. That's why I love daily sister. Clear rules, no second thoughts. Like, man, any of your trading system have to be clear. There should not be any point of hesitation where you say, mm, if you're doing this, it means that you're not having fully what you want to see there. Regarding oil that you mentioned, I think we're gonna have potential further downward leg, like 73, 75. I'm gonna love it going down a little more before it reverses. And oil is not an instrument that usually reverses with one wave unless it's a climactic move, right? If we anticipate something like this here, because we already got a pullback, if we have a false breakout here, I would like to actually buy. Or climax. This is also what will trigger some long. So I'm not worried about oil, even though I could be independently anticipating oil and long and also cat long as well. It's not necessarily for that. Also, if you remember, um, when the dollar was the strongest, CAT was the second strongest. And now we got a little bit the narrative being changed from Fed being not the aggressor that they were, um, but milding down with not potential rate hikes. CAT probably could lose value too as well. There is a probability for CAT to lose value if we have dollar weakness too. Така, so Aussie dollar, sorry glitch, Aussie cat I see. Enter two and a half. So Aussie cat, it's going up. It's very nice Wyckoff structure. You got this breakout, you got a retest. What a beautiful start of the day. From the start on 1 hour, false breakout in the structure, further going up, jump across the creek, higher, higher, higher. Everything on the playbook. And yeah, now probably have to pay attention a little bit to the level that we're currently holding into. But that's all, folks. Despite this, everything is clear. And on the 4 hour bullish Heikin-Ashi, I think I will have to be a little bit more patient with um, with the re-entry. 1 hour, I could do Heikin-Ashi long, but only 15 pip away. It's like more or less exposing on the same money. And I have to cheat with the stop loss, and I would not be surprised if we go a pullback and then go up again. So it is bullish. I have that trade. It was in the session with Andrew. Um, it's in a very good position. It's I like it. I like it. Andrea in the house. Thank you so much for tuning in. I saw you texting me something, but it was just right before I was finishing something to enter the session. I will get to it um, a little later. It's good to have you and see you again. Thank you so much. How is everything at your side, at your end? How is life? How is trading? Um, just any topic, always a pleasure to exchange and communicate with you. Bring it on. Bring it on. And now, chicken pound dollar 4 hour Exodus. Oh, which of the Exoduses? For new Exodus. It was squeeze momentum was this is 25, this is 30. Yes, that's the one. And if it's the old one, actually, if it is the old one, then you probably have it. Yes. Oh no, you don't have it. You just do not. Because the sell signal it's happening at a time where the momentum is still on the upside. And then this one, it is already too late. It is already too late. That one here. So this is not a valid signal, Andy. Marking the candle, it's green on the squeeze momentum. If you are ignoring squeeze momentum, then the hit rate, um, yeah, hit rate is going down if you're ignoring the squeeze momentum. What we've got here, no other in XM Live. Okay, so this is correlating with Dele's question to retake it. Regarding the best level, that it is for you to exit the trade, a couple of things. You could have an exit indicator, you could have a particular risk to reward, or you could have complete shift of the macro sentiment that is getting you out. Now, on the first and the second answer, which is risk to reward and an exit indicator, or a particular level that you follow, it is very technical. and you will have to go and back test, go into history and see what performers you um, have gotten, what is the performance that you've got on it, and based on that, you can actually see what result is providing you the best quality of